Welcome to Knowledge Nest. Today we explore generative AI and how it is becoming part of everyday life. Generative artificial intelligence refers to systems that can create content, text, images, music, even video, on their own. Not long ago, this was futuristic. Now, tools like image generators, content writers, and voice synthesizers are changing how millions live and work. Generative AI works by training on huge amounts of data, books, songs, articles, pictures, then learning patterns so it can produce new content. When you give it a prompt, it predicts what should come next. For example, you type a few words and it writes a paragraph. Or you sketch a line and it completes the drawing. This ability to create, rather than just analyze, sets generative AI apart. In everyday life, we see generative AI in smart writing helpers that suggest phrases or correct grammar. We see it in design tools that generate artwork for social media posts. Musicians experiment with AI-made melodies. Even businesses use generative tools to automate marketing content, produce product images, or personalize user experience at scale. One big change is accessibility. Tools that were once only available to large companies are now online, cheap or free. Students, small creators, and entrepreneurs can use them without huge technical skill. This democratizes content creation, letting more people express ideas and launch creativity projects. But there are challenges. Because generative AI learns from existing data, it may reproduce bias or mistakes. If many of its examples include stereotypes, its output can too. Also, copyright and ownership become tricky. Who owns the song, the image, or the text an AI generates? The toolmaker, the user, or original creators whose work was used in training? These questions are still being debated. Another concern is authenticity. Some people worry content made by AI may replace human-made art or blur the line between real and synthetic. Deepfakes, misinformation, and fake voices could be misused. Balancing innovation with responsibility matters. On the upside, there are many benefits. Generative AI saves time and effort. It helps with idea brainstorming, drafts, creative blocks. It opens up possibilities. Someone with no formal training can visualize designs, write stories, or compose music with help from AI. Healthcare, education, entertainment, all can benefit. Looking forward, generative AI will get better. Models will become more efficient, cheaper to run, and more accurate. We'll see greater collaboration between humans and AI, with tools that assist instead of replacing. Generative AI is no longer science fiction. It is becoming part of our daily routines. It changes not just what we can do, but how we think about creativity, originality, and work. If you enjoyed learning how generative AI is rising in everyday life, then do not forget to subscribe, like, and share Knowledge Nest, because knowledge grows best when shared.